The first time she saw him, it felt like fate tripped over itself and landed straight into her lap. Sana was sitting alone at the dimly lit corner of a coffee shop in Lahore, her laptop open, fingers dancing over keys, lost in the world of her freelance writing. She hated distractions, yet her eyes caught the tall, sharply dressed man who walked in as if he owned not just the cafe, but time itself. Dark gray shirt hugging his muscled frame, sleeves rolled up to reveal veins, and a sleek silver watch. Black jeans, polished boots. His jaw was sharp, his beard trimmed just enough to feel deliberate, and those eyes, intense, grayish hazel, like storm clouds that could drown you or set you free. He noticed her, too. Their eyes met. She looked away. He didn't. Is this seat taken?